welcome to the WeighPay group. This is Stacy Duty, the CEO, and in this video we're going to take a quick look at how our price engine fires, and we'll just quickly log into an account, which you can see in our enterprise version. We're logged under AAA company. Under the AAA company you can see all of their account details, how many tickets you've done with them, what the total amount was paid to them, first ticket, last ticket, the account details, the supplier score, since we have the ability to score each load that comes in for quality, how many active work orders they have, what their total inbound ferrous and outbound or inbound non-ferrous was. But for this video we're going to really focus on the pricing, and so we're going to start with, we've got contracts. You can see here that I have one contract available, contract 1010. We also have a spot price for copper number 1, $5. I've got some formula pricing for cast aluminum, which is based on a percentage of 5% price that's specific to this AAA company. We can go into the price board, and from the price board you can see all of the different prices that are set, but you can also see under the explanation, when I scroll down, you'll see that here is the cast aluminum formula price, and then you'll see down further as I get to the spot price for the number 1 copper, etc. So on their price board, this is specific to this company. Of course, we can email them the price sheet, print off the full price sheet if we want to. We also have tier pricing and tier price cumulative as well. So if I had 5 line items and they all had aluminum rims, it would total those line items and then give me my tiers. For simplicity purposes, I just have 2 tiers in this one. From 0 to 99 pounds, they would get the base price. They would get a bonus if they brought in over 100 to 200 pounds, and then from 200 pounds to whatever the volume is, they would get an extra 10 cents. And so that's set up here under the pricing. So let's go ahead and bring in a ticket where we can then take a look. So this is our WeighPay Pro application, and so let me get that up on the screen. So now that we've got the WeighPay Pro application, I've already preloaded this just to keep the video short. You're going to notice we've got the aluminum rims. I can look at the aluminum rims and show you that we have a base price plus tier 2 on the tier pricing, which was 10 cents. So you can see why we're paying $2.10. You can also see the cast aluminum, which was a formula price, which was a reference percentage of 5%. So $1.05. The base price was $1, so we increased it to $1.05. You'll also notice that we are tracking the ship from address on every line item, so we know where that product came from. We're also tracking who was the user, the time and the date of the gross weight and of the tare weight is tracked. And then if we go to the copper, you're going to see that we have the spot price that we had for $5 for the copper. So everything in the back office, of course, you'll notice the final price here, spot price, and so that gives us the ability to see the price engine as it fires across. Now, of course, if I were to remove the company, it would of course remove all the pricing. So you'll notice at this point we don't have any pricing on this ticket. If I were to go back here and add that company in at some point in time, it reprices the ticket and puts all of the price factors back in, the spot price, formula price, and tier pricing back in. So the one line item that we don't have on this one right now was our contract, and so if I were to go here, you can see I have my contract, which is my 10 light iron. You'll notice that I have 180 left, and so if I click on that one, I can put some weight in there, and so we can skip that one and just give us a weight. And so you'll notice here that we're pricing this, weighing it by the pound, but it's being priced at $2.20 by the net ton. So that allows us to bring in the contract price of the contract number 1010. So you've got contract pricing, you've got tier pricing, you've got formula pricing, and you've got the spot pricing, all built in onto the same ticket through the same company. So rather a lot of power in our price engine. So one of the things that I can show is when we do go into pricing, purchase pricing, you can see we can manage our price boards. You can have multiple price boards throughout multiple channels, sub channels. There's a lot of power in the way that our price boards are set up. And then of course we can go in there and change any pricing that was rejected or change any pricing that's existing right now. create new price boards for the future. We can manage our supplier-specific formula pricing, manage our historical pricing, our price board history, and also our tier pricing. We have mass update features. So for both supplier-specific and tier pricing, we have mass price updates for those to be able to manage the pricing. Hope you've enjoyed the video. And remember, WeighPay. So advanced, it's simple.